get it, so please don't be scared.
Okay, so lately I don't know what has gotten into Nike, but I'm taking a chance on another pair of shoes. After the experience that I had with Vans, I made a video about it. My shoes start popping.
What's that?
After like a week of wearing them, no water damage, no nothing. I mean, I baby my shoes, yo. But anyway, we're gonna put the Vans aside, and I need another brown pair of shoes, so we're gonna just go with some Nikes, yo. And these look comfortable. They went on sale, so I decided to grab them. Now, also, Nike has been tripping. Nike has the Bug 5000s that just dropped not too long ago. Hot trash. And they have the Batman 21st Centuries that could drop. I don't know what Nike is doing personally, but if it wasn't for Jordan and G Nikes, bro, Nike would have been fell off. And of course Air Maxes too, we'll throw those in there as well. Those are nice shoes, but bro, other than that, lately they've been tripping. Keep in mind, these shoe videos are not reviews, yo. I just want to show y'all what's out here. All right. Oh yeah, that's pretty nice. I wish I can keep this box. I don't have room for it though. And then we got the Nike sign on the top. That's pretty generic over there, so let's just get in the box. Okay, the paper pretty dope, and it has like pictures of the shoes, the bottom, the side, the sole, and the actual shoe. I guess that's the new material they trying to push on us now. Dynamic air. Okay, let's see. All right, so this is a little layout on the paperwork. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. I like those. My girl actually told me that these look like rocks, like I'm gonna be walking on pebbles, but hopefully they soft. Okay, so we got them out of the box. Right off the jump, they feel light. Like they're not gonna be too heavy on my feet. The sole is a lot different than I've seen on shoes. I'm big on shoes, but not like a collector or anything like that. So I know about shoes, but there hasn't been too many soles of shoes that I've seen, and this is new to me. There's the back of the shoe right there. For some reason my camera don't want to adjust. Okay, there we go. My hand was in the way. The side is pretty decent. On camera, from what I can see and probably what you guys see, these look like a pair that color that Tim's are, but it doesn't look like that in person. But on camera I can clearly see what it, you know, it looks like a pair of Tim's or something like that. Nice, soft, supposed to be like a leather or something like that. This is pretty dope, yo. Got the Nike sign up front right there. I'm definitely gonna rock these. I can't wait to get these on my feet, yo. It's the other one. I mean, you seen one, you seen them all. Hopefully they're pretty comfortable. I forgot to do the Kobe Bryants, and I don't want to do a separate video, so I'll show those off in this video right now. Okay, so it's crazy to think that I've had these Kobe Bryants and I did not do a video on them, yo. I guess this is Nike's, version of Kobe Bryant's, and just kind of showing them some love. These are pretty dope, yo. Let me see if I can get that in frame forever. It's like a fake leather, man, like a pleather or something. I have worn these already. Just a traditional pair of G Nikes low tops. It does have number 8 on this one and number 24 on this right shoe. And of course that front, if you put both of them together, I know it's probably backwards, but that one says forever and then it says Mamba. On this one, Mamba. These are pretty comfortable. I mean, they G Nikes, so you know, if G Nikes hurt your feet, you probably won't like these bad boys. But Kobe Bryant low top G Nikes. Tell me what y'all think. Okay, so overall, these are a nice pair of shoes and a added addition to my collection. Again, over time, durability, I cannot answer durability questions as of right now. But if something happens, like with the last video, I will make an update video. But hopefully, I don't have the same experience that I had with these like I had with the Van. But only time will tell. These are beautiful.